Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got. Climbing up to the top of the world, no fear, we're gonna make it.
Hey, Mama, say hello.
Really?
Say hello to everybody.
Hey!
Hello.
Oh, hang on, we have
What are y'all doing?
Hey! Buying Sophie. Oh, so
No,
Sophie.
no, let the crawfish out.
Is that crawfish?
It is.
Look at that. Time for a crawfish boil.
How many pounds is this? 30.
How many pounds?
This is 36.
36 pounds.
Good Lord. And there's
Another one.
another one right here. Another 36 pounds. So total 72 pounds of crawfish boiled today.
Yeah.
I'll go change. Oh, can I have your sandals, Susie?
You want sandals?
Yeah, like sandals.
Yeah.
So this is my sister,
Hola.
Susana, Susi.
Hey.
Joe, my brother-in-law. Awesome Joe.
Handsome man.
Look, now look at the water from the
And
mud.
Nan.
That's the mud.
Oh, the mud.
Yeah. We clean them.
Mud bugs.
So the first you have to clean out the what I call mud? Mud?
Yeah.
Mud.
Mud first.
Just clean it. I'm gonna change real quick.
Go change, babe. Can you get?
You want sandals? You want t-shirt?
Just a sandal.
Just sandals? Okay.
Honey, you put your finger in there, honey.
I don't think so.
Drew
Oh,
does
yeah.
it. He takes the. Yes. I'll be back.
That little.
And that's Ben.
He took a picture.
That is Ben.
Smiling.
He is a sweetheart. He's so friendly. Right, Ben? Where are you going? See, he heard his name. Come here, Ben.
You're going to be a YouTube dog.
All right. And Joe's got a nice setup over here for crawfish boil.
So you clean until the water clean?
Yeah, it's clear. It's getting clear.
Yeah, clean it. Look. Get the water. The crawfish.
All right. So you hose it down until the water comes out clean or almost clean, no, Joe?
Yeah. And then we're going to fill it up and let it sit, and then we'll drain it.
Okay. Fill it up, let it sit, and drain it again.
Oh, okay, let us see.
So Joe makes the best crawfish boils in the world.
He has his own recipe, right?
Yes. And we're going to show you guys today.
Don't do that. He scared me.
There he goes. There he goes.
Okay. What is that?
Look at that. So Joe makes them fall asleep like this, right, Joe? Yeah. So they actually go to sleep and they stop fighting when you do that. I remember you showed me how to do that a while ago. That's a long time ago. Look, see? Look at that. You see how they go to sleep? Look at that. They no longer fight you.
So you have to
Who taught you that, Joe?
I don't even remember.
the brain there, you know, maybe? I don't know.
Look at that.
I think he's supposed to live. Look, he don't move.
Look at that.
So,
Fell right to sleep. All relaxed now.
Put it up.
so that's enough, girl? Or more?
Yeah, that's good.
So
All right, so it's full all the way, and we'll let it sit there for a while.
Can you bring another one, honey?
Well, clean that pot.
Can you bring another bucket?
Yep. Get the sack right here.
No, we're going to clean the pot next.
Oh, okay. Clean the pot. This is my nephew, Drew. Drew, say hello.
Hey. Hey, Drew, go get the paddle. You know where to fill it up to?
There's a line.
There's a line.
Many years of going crawfish line.
I'm gonna go get my margarita. These are some good margaritas. I think this is mine, right? Yeah. There you go. And they have a nice margarita machine here that mixes everything. Just put the ingredients in there and it does everything for you. It's a little she shed that they call it here in the backyard. I call it a man cave, but they call it a she shed. So what are you saying, Joe?
I made this.
Oh, Joe made the stand, the burner stand.
There's nothing but a greaser. Here, sit down. All right, Joe. Open up that. Start closing that red valve. Start closing it? Yep.
There you go. There you got it. This is a real crawfish boil from Louisiana. Let's see what Susi and Nan are doing.
Honey,
So you gotta put them in there.
put it in there. Come on.
Put them in there?
Them
Put it in there. You put
With my hands?
your hand and put it there.
On the camera.
No, with my hands.
Yes, your hand.
No.
No? I was gonna say.
Look at you. Honey, they pick up like a lot of them one time, honey. You're gonna there forever.
I'll be here forever picking them up.
Okay, let's do it.
Ah, there you go.
Honey.
Get it, Nun.
Get it, get it, get it.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, and we just sit around and wait for the water to boil. Oh, you already put the spices, Joe?
Yeah.
I missed it.
Ain't nothing for a little bit of bag.
Okay, so there you go. Here's the spices that Joe poured in there. Here's what he uses. Louisiana fried fish products. It's crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. He poured about, what, a little over a half a bag of this, about 3/4 of a bag. And what size is this bag? It's a 4.5 pound bag. Alright, so we're ready to load the crawfish. And right here we got some corn and some red potatoes. I'm ready to go. Go ahead, Drew. Alright, you gotta be very careful when you do this. Drop it slowly so that the water doesn't hit your feet. See that? Yeah!
Don't worry about that.
And there you go. And it's cooking. How long, Drew? How long, Joe? 10 minutes? Set the timer. Siri, set the timer to 10 minutes. Alright, it's working. We got 10 minutes. sprinkle them with
Louisiana powder seasoning.
all right, let me show you what that is. So like Joe said, you sprinkle them with this seasoning right here. Where's my margarita? Shrimp.
Look how we cook. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Louisiana
Bring some more shrimp. Some onions in there and then garlic.
You two are crazy.
But we can't put too much seasoning, does it?
You can't what?
Can't put too much seasoning on this.
Okay.
Gotta be mild.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks so good. We didn't get the trash ready, Drew.
All right, it's time to pull it off. Okay, take the load off there. Drew's gonna pull it out for us. Let me see, Drew. There you go. Look at that.
Watch your feet, man. Don't shake it in the pot. Dangerous. Watch your feet. You get the seasoning?
And sprinkle the seasoning as it comes down. See how Susi's doing it? There you go. Look at that. All right, you're ready for the other side.
Alright, shake it.
And now shake it. You got it, Susie? We got it.
Yeah, shake it.
Now you shake it up. Get all the seasoning in the crawfish. There we go. Look at that. Drew's an expert. And open it up, Drew. Let me see. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Susie can't wait.
The hot one. It's hot.
Ah, it's hot. Be careful.
Should come along. We just have fun. We just have fun. We got it. Our colors shine bright. Our seasons
Show you a trick.
that feels like magic. All night long. We just have fun. We just have fun.
That smells horrible. It's not good, honey. Don't eat it.
Everybody put your hands up. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody put your hands up. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody put your hands up. So come along. We just have fun. We just have and let your colors shine. We'll keep you feeling fine and inside. Oh, oh, everything is wonderful. Oh, oh, everything is wonderful. Oh, oh, everything is wonderful with you. Our journey is calling us away to start anew. 'Cause we've been waiting for our chance to follow it through. Oh, everything is wonderful. Oh, everything is wonderful. Oh, everything is wonderful with